This equipment is specially designed for the cutting of fixed width and length of door frames and cabinets. The delivery speed can be adjusted with a maximum speed of 15 meters per minute, and the production efficiency is high. This machine is easy to adjust and can automatically set the width and length, compared with the traditional process. It has the advantages of reducing the number of processes and high production efficiency, which can save a lot of manpower and reduce production costs.